got the email from UCAS, Norland have offered you a place, which was so exciting. All my lecturers were really excited for me. I'm currently in the second year of the T-level Education and Early Years at Truro College on the Early Years pathway. I was just so thrilled. I don't think it felt real. I think this course is good because it's so varied. The practical experience is amazing. Obviously, we spend a couple of days a week in a nursery or childcare setting. A variety of different assessment methods so you can showcase your knowledge in whatever way works for you. It sounds silly, but the uniform. It's awesome. I think it will really feel real when I put that uniform on for the first time and I look at myself and I see a Norland Nanny. I think that is when I will be like, wow, I've actually made it. Just the variety of experience you gain, meeting so many people with the same passion as you, and just connecting over that and making lots of friends. And there are some quite high-profile families that look for Norland nannies. Or you can, take that degree and really do anything within childcare with it. It opens so many doors for you. All my lecturers are really passionate about what they teach, like very subject specialists, highly qualified and experienced. They're really passionate. Don't forget how much of an honour it is for these parents and carers to leave their children with you. It's not something we should take lightly. It's a huge privilege. We need the parents to feel safe leaving their child with you, feel that their child is in good hands, and you need to give your best self to these families.